Hello, home designers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to change the material of furniture in Coohom. So, let's get started. Method 1. Using the material brush tool. When you open any project and want to change the material of your furniture, let's take an example of changing the sofa color. The first method is the simplest. Go to the public library. Select the furniture category. Then choose sofa and pick the sofa design whose fabric and color you like. To apply this color and material to another sofa, click on the toolkit option at the top. Select the first tool, Material Brush, shortcut key M. The material brush works like this. It absorbs the material, color, or texture from one object and applies it to another. Simply click on the furniture whose material you want to copy. Then click on the furniture you want to change. And just like that, the sofa color or fabric will be updated instantly. Method 2. Using the material editor. The second method is a bit more professional and gives you more control over customization. Select the furniture, in our example, the sofa. A pop-up will appear. Click on Material Editor. Inside the Material Editor, you'll find multiple options. Reverse. Restore the original material of your furniture. Material Brush. Same as in Method 1. Render Preview. See how the material looks in a rendered image. Simulate Light Field. Check how the material appears under different lighting conditions, such as default, daytime soft, daytime strong light, or night. On the right-hand side, you'll see options for settings. Material color, location adjustments, zoom controls. These help you fine-tune the texture, pattern scale, and position. On the left-hand side, you'll see the material categories such as constructional, wood, fabric, metal, and more. Let's change the sofa material to polyester fabric. Click on Fabric. Choose polyester from the list. There are 2 ways to apply it. Select the sofa, and then click on the material. Drag the material directly onto the sofa. Advanced adjustments. When you use the material editor to add new materials, you'll also see the advanced option appear. This doesn't show up for ready-made materials. In the advanced settings, you can adjust diffusion and reflection such as hue, saturation, contrast, brightness. Let's try changing the sofa's color using these settings. Once you're happy with the changes, click Complete in the top corner to exit the material editor. When you return, Coohom will ask whether you want to apply this new material to all similar sofas in your design. Choose Confirm if you do. Rendering. Finally, let's render the updated sofa to see the final result. If you're not sure how to render, check out my earlier tutorial. I've linked it in the I button above and at the end screen of this video. And that's it. Now you know 2 easy yet powerful ways to change furniture materials in Coohom. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Coohom tips and interior design tutorials. And don't forget, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. The link is in the description. Happy designing!